If you want to add Pedometer to the home screen on Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, what you can do is, for example, you can press and hold your finger on an empty space, and then we can go to widgets over here at the bottom. Now in here you might want to go through this list of different Xiaomi widgets, and you might be able to find a step counter. For example, I have this one over here, so I should be able to press and hold my finger on this widget, and then I can drop it anywhere I want it to be. You might also need to tap on the widget in order to grant the access to some permissions so that the app can actually count steps. And there is also the goal, which we can change, but if we go back to the home screen, then as you can see now we have the counter available in here. Now if you don't like to use these Xiaomi widgets, then of course we need to get another app that allows us to count steps. For example, if we go to the Play Store, then you can search for Google Health app, or just simply search for Health. And this is the one. Previously it was called Fitbit, but it has been recently rebranded. So I'm gonna install this app. I'm gonna show you how to set it up, which is very simple. And this app also has a widget that allows you to see and count steps. There we go. We're gonna open it. We need to sign in. I'm gonna use my Google account. This is definitely the quickest way to create an account if you don't have one. So we can do that. Also, you can grant access for notifications, of course. There we go. And inside the app, you can immediately find the step counter, for example, in here. You can also swipe through all of these different information. But now let's add the widget. So what we can do is we can, for example, find the app. So most likely it's going to be added on the home screen. So we can press and hold our finger on the app. And then we're gonna go to add widgets. And then we should be able to find this widget over here. So we're just gonna add it. If there's only enough space, of course. Let me actually add it to the new page. There we go. You can also try to find it once again, just like before, by pressing and holding your finger on the home screen. Then we can go to widgets, but this time you want to go to Android widgets over here, and then we need to find the Health app or Google Health. And then you should be able to find the widgets. Of course, you can just press and hold your finger once again and just drop it anywhere you want it to be. And there we go. Now we have the step counter. You can also adjust its size if you want to resize it a little bit. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.